Starbizers, buckle up! Today, we are diving into the incredible journey of Joaquin Arce, the Filipino teen heartthrob who went from adorable baby cheeks to the newest showbiz sensation. He's not just Angel Locsin's stepson or Neil Arce's pride and joy. He's carving his own path in the entertainment industry. Joaquin's baby years. Born into a family already connected to the entertainment world, Joaquin was destined for the spotlight. Childhood photos show him as a wide-eyed, curious kid, always with a mischievous grin. Family insiders recall that even as a toddler, Joaquin loved performing skits at home, mimicking TV personalities with uncanny accuracy. Here's a fun fact. Joaquin's first audience was his grandmother, who encouraged him to sing along to old OPM classics before bedtime. Teenage transformation. By his early teens, Joaquin had already developed a striking presence. Tall, confident, and with a natural charisma. He wasn't just about looks. He excelled in school activities, often leading group projects and showing leadership qualities. His turning point came at 18 years old in May 2025, when he officially signed with Star Magic, marking the start of his professional career. Surprise detail, Joaquin is also a budding runway model, having walked for small fashion showcases before his acting debut. Showbiz breakthrough. Joaquin's name exploded online when Angel Locsin reshared his debut reel, proudly calling him our Joaquin. Fans went wild, noting his resemblance to both Angel's elegance and Neil's sharp features. He entered the Pinoy Big Brother house in 2026, where he quickly became known for his maturity and calm demeanor, even when housemates misread his serious face as intimidating. Instead of drama, Joaquin chose sincerity, apologizing and explaining himself with grace. Angel herself rallied fans to support him during eviction threats, showing how much the family stands behind his journey. The hidden side of Joaquin. No drama policy. Joaquin consciously avoids unnecessary conflicts, a trait Neil Arce proudly highlighted. Creative discipline. He's fascinated by behind-the-scenes production, often asking crew members about lighting setups and camera angles. Personal quirk. Joaquin has a habit of journaling every night, a practice he says helps him lock in his emotions before big performances. From baby giggles to the PBB spotlight, Joaquin Arce is proving he's more than just a famous last name. He's a rising actor, a model, and a grounded young man with a surprising love for journaling and production work. As he steps into adulthood, Joaquin isn't just growing up, he's growing into a star. Please comment below the celebrities you want us to feature next. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on our next videos. This is Sean, your friendly neighborhood chismoso.